What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got a single cab Silverado. This thing's badass. It's bagged. Came in for a Webasto sunroof install. The old Webastos, he bought a truck, had a Webasto in it. He has a newer truck, Silverado, so he wants the sunroof, the good Webasto sunroof on the newer truck. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. Let's check out the truck. Silverado. This thing's clean. Bagged. We're gonna be going with the Webasto. I'm gonna black it out. Black suede. We'll paint the visors and then go ahead and install the Webasto. So I'm gonna start by taking everything, removing everything in, get our measurement for our cutout, and go from there. Alright guys, we got the hole cut out. We got everything trimmed. You can see here's the top part of it. Got it all cut out. Nice and chain on. I'm gonna install the sunroof now. Install the bottom plate of the Webastos. Install it now. I'm gonna get everything to where it's functional, and then we'll start on the headliner. Got it installed. I do have my silicone around it. I'm gonna install the bottom bracket. Once I do that, silicone's gonna squeeze out, which is a good thing because it's gonna make a nice good seal. And then we'll go ahead and start wiring it up. Try it out. Alright guys, got it installed. Check it out. 2-button, the basic kit, Webasto. We're gonna start the headliner now. I'm gonna power it up and then we'll get the headliner. Alright guys, we got the headliner done, wrapped in black suede. It does have the cutout here for the sunroof, so I'll go ahead and cut that out once it's in. I got all my plastics painted. Let's go ahead and put it all together and we'll show you the final result. Alright guys, install's done. This thing came out badass. Nothing like a Webasto clean install. No body work, no welding, nothing. This is badass. Bagged. Damn, this thing's bad. I need to get me one of these. Let's check it out.
Perfect.